let's compare the Instax Mini 70 to a couple of other options for analog film photography. So the Mini 70 is a great option if you want to get into some analog film. It uses Fujifilm Instax Mini format. It's a credit card size instant film format. You put some of the film in here. It's 10 exposures to each pack. And then you take your photo and it prints out and then develops itself in about 3 to 5 minutes. Super cool. Another thing to consider though is the Instax Sq6. So this is very similar to the Mini 70, pretty similar controls, very similar size of camera. The big difference though is that the Sq6 is a square format. Still instant film, still Fujifilm, it's just square instead of a little rectangle. So if you like that traditional instant film look with the square photos, go with the Sq6. But I'm going to throw in another one that I think you should look at. This is the Kodak Daylight Disposable. So this is a 35mm traditional disposable camera. Even smaller than the other options, much lighter. You take your photos. The difference, it's not instant though. You do have to send this off to a dark room to get it developed, but it's about the most classic experience you're going to get with a traditional disposable. You wind it up between each picture. It's a really cool thing to use. Overall, the three of them are really great options for your analog film journey.